Good morning, it's me, Leigh of Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and today's video is part 10 of Anna Griffin's Simply Wildflower Meadows Scrapbook. You can get this on hsn.com or annagriffin.com. So let's move this out of the way and get started. So today's layout will be this right here, the double page layout. I'll bring it up closer so you can see. Okay, so it is on the pink paper, and we're using 3 inches by 12 of the green. This was what we did yesterday, so we're using the back side of it, and then we will use the back side of this, and this will be tomorrow. So, okay, so this is what we're going to do. If you need to screenshot it, go ahead. And there is what that side looks like. And now let's get started. Okay, let me tell you what you're going to need. You're going to need 2 of these, 1 for each page, the grayish, those there. You're going to need 2 of these. They're 3 inches by 12. The other side is the flowery white. You're going to need 2 of these journaling. You're going to need 2 of these. And you're going to need 2 of the square pink. Now the flowers are going to be you're going to need 2 of these, and they go the same direction. You're going to need 2 of these, and they're the same. You're going to need 2 of these. You're going to need 4 of these, 4 of those. And you're going to need 2 of these, and they go the same direction as well. Because we're getting to the end, we're just using our leftovers and making them work, so it's going to be the same direction and 2 of them. Okay, so I already prepped. I have my tape on these 4 pieces. So let's take it apart, take the tape off. Let's make sure the direction is proper, and we're going to put it on the outside of this one. This is the right side. If you're looking at the book, you see how I put my fingers together and I line it up. And there you go. This one is prepared and has tape. You can use glue. And this time, the little points are facing that way. This time I butted up onto the green. Since this is 3 inches, I had enough space to butt it up and put it on the pink paper, glue it to the pink paper, but butt it up to the green. That's what I did. Now let's do this side. Let's make sure that it's going the right direction, because we have something on the back already from yesterday's project. Let's make sure this is going the right direction. And here we go. I see something that needs to be trimmed from yesterday, so I need to trim that. You can barely see it, but I can. Okay. Now I'm going to put this one on. And have it on top of the pink, butted up against the green. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to bring this sheet over, and we're going to do the right side, as if you're looking at a book, it's the right and then the left. Okay, so I think if you've been following me, you know what we're going to do. So it's going to go there, and then this is going to go here. Our handy Walmart tape. And we're going to put it about here. And we're going to do 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4 corners so that the corners won't layer up. So we are going to eyeball this about here, and we are going to center it in between the pink paper. We're not centering it in between the whole page, only the 8, or let's see, 9, 8.5 actually, right here. And then this one, we're going to probably line it up, and yes, I lined it up with the gray, so that's going to be great. I'm going to put it about there. Okay. Now we're going to take the embellishments and put them on. So what did we do first? We put this down first. This one. You barely see it, but it all just coordinates. So we're going to put it here. Then we're going to take this one. And we're going to put it here, and let's see how we're facing it. Just about here. We're going to bring it up some. That looks good. We're not going to do that one yet. Then we're going to do this one. And put this one here. So let's do this one. There's a method to my madness so that it hides all the different things. So we're going to put this one right here. And I'll hold it up so you can see so far. Then we're going to skip the pink, this all pink one. I'm going to put this one on. And it's going to go, we don't want to cover up the blue flower, and we don't want to cover that up. So if we put this here, how far up can we move this around to make it work? See what I'm doing? I'm adjusting as I'm measuring. And so I'm going to put that there. So that's how hot 2 fingers. I didn't push it down real hard just in case. And this has a little stem. I'm going to cut just the stem off and make it look like just all leaves. So, oops, I'm going to show you. I cut just that stem off. And that's what it looks like now. You can barely tell. You wouldn't even know it. but I saw it, so I'm going to now hide that tail of the roll, and I'm going to put it probably about like that, and then we put this on, this last one. And let's lift this up. I didn't push it down real hard yet. Let's hide the end of it, and just put it with a little bit of flare. There we go. I think that needs to be down just a hair more. Ooh, I don't normally move those too much. Okay, so I'm going to raise it and show you. Okay, that one is done. Now we're going to do the left side. Same way. Bring the left one over so I can see it. And we are actually going to measure this one to make sure I go up and it meets. So that is 1, 2, 3. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So let's get ready. Put the on. While I'm thinking about it, and you see this and you're like, but my picture goes the other direction. All you have to do is rotate it, and then your picture fits your direction you need. All you have to do is peel this up German card and put it the other direction. Just twist halfway or one, and it would work. So we're going to put this right here. We're going to measure. Measure because I want it to match my other page. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So it was lined up here too. So, lined up here, and then we got you. Okay. Now let's make this again. And we'll be done with this one. Start off with this. Start off with that one. And we make it go down. And then we have this one. And we go about right here. This one. Nope, nope, we get this one. This one. And then we want it to go there. Now we get this one. So nice that these are stickers. It saves a lot on glue as well. And we see where it would fit, look good. cover that hole. So we're going to put that here. So that's a pretty good spot. Take this one before we press it down. And we're going to that to make a layer. There. Now we can press that down, press everything down. We're taking this one, and we are cutting that stick stem away. And we're putting it in the middle to hide the gap. So we're layering. And how do we want to put this? Put it any direction that looks good and feels good. I think that does good. So there you go. There is your double page layout that we have made. I hope you liked it. And remember, we are not adding these until we actually put the pictures on so that they match very nicely. You could gift this away and just send this and let them do it. So I hope you liked this video. I hope that you subscribe and you comment down below. I'm hoping some people are watching this. You just never know. Have a blessed day, everybody.